The RK Royal KLUDGE F99 wireless mechanical keyboard is designed for users who want the perfect balance between a compact layout and full functionality. With its 96% layout, this keyboard manages to keep the essential number pad while saving valuable desk space compared to a traditional full-size keyboard. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, programmer, or office user, the F99 delivers a versatile experience that adapts to a wide range of tasks. One of the biggest highlights of the F99 is its tri-mode connectivity. Users can switch between Bluetooth, 2, 4 GHz wireless, and wired USB connections depending on their setup and preferences. This flexibility makes it easy to connect multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and even some mobile devices. The wireless performance feels responsive and stable, making it suitable for both productivity and gaming sessions. The keyboard features a premium construction that immediately feels solid on the desk. Its sturdy frame helps minimize flex, while the carefully designed keycaps provide a comfortable typing surface. The typing experience is enhanced by smooth mechanical switches that offer satisfying feedback and consistent actuation. Whether you're writing documents, coding for hours, or gaming late into the night, the keyboard remains comfortable and enjoyable to use. RGB lighting adds another layer of customization to the experience. The vibrant backlighting offers multiple effects and brightness levels, allowing users to personalize the look of their setup. The lighting shines evenly through the keys and creates an attractive visual effect without being distracting. For users who enjoy matching peripherals and desk aesthetics, the F99 provides plenty of options. Battery performance is another strong point. Thanks to its efficient wireless design and large battery capacity, users can enjoy extended usage without constantly reaching for a charging cable. This makes the keyboard particularly convenient for clean desk setups and mobile workstations where cable management matters. The inclusion of hot swappable support on many configurations is a welcome feature for enthusiasts. It allows users to replace compatible switches without soldering, making customization simple and accessible. This flexibility helps extend the life of the keyboard while allowing users to experiment with different switch types to find their preferred feel. Gaming performance is also impressive. Key presses register accurately, wireless latency remains low, and the layout provides quick access to essential keys. The compact design leaves more room for mouse movement, which many gamers appreciate during competitive play. Overall, the RK Royal KLUDGE F99 stands out as an excellent all-around mechanical keyboard. It combines a space-saving 96% layout, reliable tri-mode connectivity, attractive RGB lighting, comfortable typing performance, and strong customization features into one well-rounded package. For users seeking a feature-rich wireless mechanical keyboard that excels in both work and gaming environments, the F99 is a compelling option that delivers outstanding value and everyday usability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.